Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
All right, so welcome back to another episode of the Now You Know podcast, where we talk about the marketing world. I'm your host, Flavio, and today we are diving into the captivating world of advertisement. Probably one of the most famous slices of that marketing pizza that we talked about it on the last episode. So, what exactly is advertisement? Advertisement is the act of creating message, sometimes even campaigns with many messages. But how, you may ask? Basically creating message using different psychological techniques. The idea is to persuade and motivate someone to take action, most likely to buy a product or service or even click on a banner on the web. And here's the thing, if you know what you're doing in terms of advertisement strategy, it can pay wonderful in the end. It actually reminds me about the story of a shopkeeper that put up a sign advertising a deal on bananas. Anyway, the story goes that this shopkeeper's sign says something like 1 banana for $3 or 3 bananas for $10. And then a man that was passing by takes a look at the sign and notices that the bundle is actually a bad deal. So he decides to order 1 banana, then he ordered another banana, and then at last he ordered 1 more. So basically he was saving $1. Feeling very superior, he asked the shopkeeper why he would have the 3-pack cost more. Aren't you losing money? The shopkeeper responded, you just paid $9 for 3 bananas, didn't you? Anyway, now the question is, not only the ad sign was responsible for this home run of selling 3 bananas for $9. Marketing was the real mastermind behind the success. Maybe marketing, did the home job, his job well and identify the target audience in advance, perhaps the location which has people who buy 3 bananas for $9. That means maybe people who can afford those bananas, right? Setting the right price and ensuring the product looks good and so on. So again, it's not only the sign, it's all this that comes behind the sign that is the great part of advertisement. Again, the big pizzas as a marketing, and the advertisement is just one slice of that, right? So basically, I want you to think about advertisement in a kind of, how can I say, the Grand Carmina Burana Symphony. That's exactly what is marketing. So marketing here is the conductor, playing every detail of the symphony, from product development to distribution. Advertisement is the star, is the performer, showcasing the careful, curated narrative crafted by the marketing. So it's a big symphony. So to better understand that, let's explore a real-world example. Think of a popular soft drink brand. Don't tell me, just think about it. The marketing strategy involves identifying the target demographic, deciding on the price strategy, just like the banana guy, and ensuring the product is available everywhere as possible. Now, consider the advertisement. It's the iconic actually. It's the iconic jingle that echoes in your mind or you hear on the radio, the vibrant visuals of people enjoying the drink, and sometimes strategically placing on billboards outside on your way to home or on your way to work, or even on the internet, right? If it's digital marketing. So the point is, advertisement is making you to crave that fizzy goodness soft drink, right? So the advertisement is the magic that turns a beverage, a simple beverage, into a kind of a lifestyle choice. And, Red Bull, for example, it's one of example how you can just turn around a beverage and put it on a radical lifestyle choice. I mean, in this case of Red Bull, is kind of radical sports and try to attract for the young people, right? So the point is, this dance between marketing and advertisement is very crucial because market lays out the foundation, but it's the advertisement that actually make it happen in terms of breathing the life into the strategy, right? So it takes data and demographic and transform them into stories and emotion. That is what advertisement do the best, right? And it's not only transform that, is to make these stories and emotion resonate with you as the consumer. So next time you see a captivating ad, remember it's just one part of the intricate marketing masterpiece, right? From the brainstorm in the boardrooms to creative studios, each element works in harmony to create an experience that goes beyond selling a product. It's about selling a feeling, a lifestyle, an identity. So that's wraps up today's episode of the Now You Know podcast. I will also add into the description a short YouTube video. By the way, some of you mentioned that you don't use or you don't have a TikTok account. Hey, I don't blame you, okay? That's why maybe I'm gonna put it this time a YouTube video, short video, and I think you don't need an account to actually see the videos, right? So this video is about advertisement that I did a while ago, and is showing that sometimes even advertisement play in a way that they actually one easy way to sell things is sometimes is basically prohibit to buy it, right? It's a strategy, and it seems it's like with Adam and Eve and the apple, advertised by the snake. It works, right? So I hope you enjoy our exploration of advertisement and this intricate relationship with marketing. And remember, the next time you encounter a captivating ad, it's not just a commercial, it's a piece of careful orchestrated symphony designed to captivate you, persuade you, and leave a lasting time impression on you. Thank you for tuning into. Until next time, this is the Now You Know podcast, and I'm signing off now. Thank you.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.